Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Godson. Today we're going to be talking about how you can customize your scroll bar on your website uh, in order to have a good looking scroll bar and also have upgraded skills on web development, especially front end. So here I have this CSS file. Also here I have an HTML file for this website. Here is how it is looking. So I'm going to customize the scroll bar. So what I want you to know here is that this white thing here is called a track, and also we have this thing indicator. It's also called a thumb. So come here in our codes. We're going to say WebKit scroll bar. We're going to set some width as 10 pixels. I'm going to copy this, paste it right here. Track. I'm going to give it black background. Then we're going to say um, background. We're going to make it linear gradient, transparent. Then we're going to add some green looking color. We're also going to add some border radius around like 6 pixels. We're also going to add some hover. Background. I'm going to make it like this, but let us change it to okay. Let's look now. As you can see here, we have changed it like this. Then when you hover it on here, it's going to be looking like this. So guys, thank you guys for following our YouTube channel, for your subscription, and thank you for the recent. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.